Hey, Kareful K's, Kareful Keith back in this bitch. Today, you guys, we are going to be making, hopefully this isn't too loud, we're going to be making chicken wings. Yeah, I know you're thinking chicken wings. Yeah, I will. They're my version of chicken wings, which is actually cauliflower. Alright. Now some people are like, oh my god, I just saw a close-up of his tattoos. You're gonna need a knife. Get your knife. These are seasonings. I'll go over them when I get to that point. But what you're gonna need, oh shit, I didn't change this. Hold on. Preheat to 450. Forgot about that. Okay, so you have your oven preheated to 450. What you're gonna need in order to do this is you will need flour. You will need, well, personally I use almond milk. I mean, you could use regular milk. But flour, milk, seasonings, cauliflower. You're gonna need a knife. What else are you gonna need? Parchment paper. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get around that also, but I personally use that. But alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start. I've already washed the head of cauliflower. We're just gonna cut it right down the middle, like so. Where are the chickens at? I don't see no chickens. I only see cauliflower. Wow, bless your heart. Okay. Like I said, it's already been washed, so that's that. And I'm using this bowl because it is gonna make a mess as you're tearing them apart. Then in the end, we're gonna use this bowl again. I don't know how many wings this will make because this isn't a big head of cauliflower. So it's gonna be a surprise to me. That's how it's gonna be a surprise to you guys. How are you guys doing on this good old Wednesday? Hope you guys are doing pretty good. And this is gonna be a pretty simple meal if you ever wanna, try something different. You want chicken wings, but not chicken. This will be a pretty cool recipe to try. So I'm just gonna pour that out. I'm gonna rinse this bowl. We don't see any milk because the milk is still in the refrigerator. That's the reason why you don't see it. You know what I could do, y'all? Instead of cutting them, I could do these motherfuckers just how they are. If any kiddos are watching this, we do cuss on this channel, so, that's that. But hey, all by my intro, you should know we gonna do some cussing over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You come over here and listen, we're gonna do a little bit of cussing. Oh yeah. Or a lot of it. It don't matter. Okay. So I think I'm actually probably just gonna leave most of them whole. These are the cauliflower wings. Well, these are the chicken wings, you guys. Like this one is kind of big. We'll cut this one. Break that one apart. Okay, I think we're good to go, you guys. I'm gonna leave the rest of them exactly how they are. So, past this point, we're gonna get the mixing on the batter. Yes, I'm washing my hands again. He gonna wash his hands off, y'all. We heard the water come on like 3 times already. Is he trying to wash his skin off? Don't worry about it. This ain't gonna be like that damn cake. Hopefully. That cake was a fucking mess. Shit was going everywhere. Try to keep this a little bit more clean than the cake. Alright, so for this good old mixture, this, like I said, is flour. This is a cup. Now I always start with a cup, because granted you can always add more if needed, but I always start with a cup and go from there. We grab the good old milk. Hey, Almond Breeze, well actually Blue Diamond. Hell, who makes this shit? Is it Blue Diamond? Yeah, Blue Diamond, almonds, Almond Breeze. Who the hell is the manufacturer? Let's see. Whoever manufactures this shit, I think Blue Diamond is. Yeah, of course. Blue Diamond is up here at the top. And then Almond Breeze is the name of the shit. Granted, I did know that. Just wanted to make sure y'all was paying attention. But anyway, Blue Diamond, y'all should reach out to me because I use a lot of this shit. I do. A lot of it. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. So, what I do in this particular part of the process is try not to spill shit. Put that top back on just in case we end up knocking it over. Okay, so what I do in this particular part, let me grab a spoon. What I do in this particular part is I add seasoning. So we have onion powder. I say half a teaspoon, tablespoon, hell, I don't know, just pour shit. We eyeballing the seasoning. We are, because this is what you like. So far we have onion powder. All this stuff came from Kroger, you guys. Good old black pepper. I'll say half a tablespoon, give or take. What's tablespoon? How about that? We got lemon pepper. Yes, I know I just put black pepper in, and I'm adding lemon pepper. Yes, I do know that. Thank you so much. Royal, I can hear you now. Stop being petty, Royal. That's not nice. We got garlic powder. We got cayenne pepper. I actually think I got the cayenne pepper from the Dollar Tree. Oh, I forgot about the paprika, and we have parsley flakes. Let me go and grab the paprika. But don't you know that the devil is a liar? Anybody else like that song? That DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled, John Legend, and Mr. Nipsey. That shit go hard. Okay. That's our good. But I kind of mix the seasonings in before I add the milk. And just like with the flour, I kind of start at a certain point. So with the milk, I start off with half of a cup. And then, of course, if more is needed, we will add more. Yep. Oh, shit, I already spilling flour. Now this makes one whole cup, but I'm not going to add it all, I don't think. just gonna add a little bit if I need it, but you don't want it to be too watery. And again, I might end up using all of it. Fuck it, it's in there. Mommy, did he just say fuck it? Yeah, he did. He did, he said that. It smells so good, you guys. If you guys make this, you will smell what I'm smelling. It smells really, really, really good. It does. Yeah, Kid can really cook, can't he? Just be over there cooking stuff. Yeah, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more, just a tad bit. He just be over there just cooking stuff. Yeah, I know, right? Man gotta eat, so. So I would say how much I've added was. A little over 1 cup. I don't know. Look, a cup and a splash. How about that? I don't know. And no, I'm not putting any of this down in the description. So if y'all miss it, y'all gonna have to rewind the video. Thanks for the view. I know he is not washing his hands. Yes, I am. Mind your business. Alright, you guys. So, this particular part right here is going to be the part where you... That little milk that's on that, right. This is going to be the part where you're going to coat the good old cauliflower. So I'm going to grab a fork. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to stick my hands in this. So. It should be enough batter. It should be. I mean, either way it go, it's going to be enough for this video because of what doesn't get battered. I'm not going to prolong the video. I'll just make more batter and finish it up. Smells really, really, really good. Like I said, if you guys make this, you will smell what I'm smelling. You will. I did tell you about putting preheating to 450, correct? Okay. Thanks, Leilani. Leilani said yes. You told us, Keith. Thank you. Thanks, Leilani. God damn, can I get the bitch out? I'm about to get some tongs, bro. I really don't want to touch this, y'all. What kind of cook is he? He don't even want to touch stuff. The kind that don't want to get dirty. That's what kind of cook I am. Yeah. There's a lot of cooks out there like that. They're like, dude, I'm touching that shit. I always check out the excess. So now we have one. And as we go along, I'm in to kind of flatten out, a little bit more. Now this part does take a little time. I'm not going to speed the video, but I mean, you guys can get the gist of, I said I'm not going to speed it up, but you guys can get the gist of that. Put it in, get it coated, move on to the next. Why are you only putting one end at a time? Because that way I can for sure know that it's coated the way I wanted it. This is taking too long. This video gonna be like 45 minutes. Wow. Love you guys too. How you gonna say you love us and you ain't even watching none of our videos? Because I'm not on YouTube, y'all. I do though. I still love you guys. I'm just not on them. And I plan to be back really, really, really soon. Like within the next few weeks. I do. I just gotta get a few last things together. And when I do, trust me, Kareful Keith is gonna be back in this bitch. And then y'all gonna be tired of me again. Y'all be like, damn, you ain't got something else you need to do? Go and take a hiatus or something? I'm tired of seeing you in them big ass teeth of yours. And I'm like, nope. Sure ain't. Nope. Y'all Vlogmas gonna be here in like 25 more days. I don't know about y'all, but it ain't like this year is freaking flying by. Am I the only person that feels that way? I'm like, damn, it was just January. We was just down in Houston. You know, when I met some amazing content creators. I did. Amazing, amazing people. Yeah. I met some amazing people. Some people that I've gotten, you know, closer with after. But hey, here's what it is. I met them. You know. They are some cool people. So it is some pretty cool content creators on here. Yep. People who I call my YouTube fam bam. They probably think I done fell off the face of the damn earth. This past week has been a fucking monster. Oh damn, I don't even know if I've been, oh yeah, you can see this. So I don't even know if I've been in the damn camera where you can see what the hell going on, but yeah, it's still very visible. Now I would say off the rip, if I had like a bigger head of cauliflower, I probably would have started this batter off with like 2 cups, or at least probably a cup and a half. Since I didn't, of course. If y'all hear anything, that's just the washer, the dryer going. Or the air conditioner, one or the other. It's hot as hell in Memphis, like I've said time and time again. Man, gotta stay cool and have clean uniforms to wear to work. So, yeah. You know what I'm gonna do with these other ones? I'm not even gonna batter them. Like when the batter runs out, I just thought of another idea. Yep, I just thought of another idea. I'm gonna put these other ones, I'm just gonna season them and put them in the air fryer. Boom. How you like me now? Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'll do 6. So I'm gonna put these other 6 in the air fryer. I'm just gonna season them with the same thing that I season these with that I'm battering. And we're gonna pop those puppies in the air fryer. Because these here will have to bake twice. Yeah, these will have to bake twice. the ones that don't make it, just gonna get put in the air fryer. And then here, all of them probably gonna end up going on the salad. I don't think I want like chicken wings and fries. Not really. I think I'm gonna end up just putting them on the salad. Which I've done many times in the past. When I've made things. Yeah, it only might end up being like 2 or 3 of them that I'm putting in the air fryer. Well, to be honest with you, I don't know how they're gonna turn out anyway, so it could be a good thing that it's only gonna be 2 or 3 of them that's getting put in the air fryer. Cause that could go all wrong. It sure could. I don't know. Never done it. See, can we scrape any more? Let's see. It's a little right here. We're done, y'all. Like I said, preheated to 450. We're gonna bake these things for 15 minutes, y'all. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Hey, y'all, so I'm back. Okay, so it ended up being longer than 15 minutes. So I actually, when 15 minutes went off, I added more time. So this was actually 25 minutes, guys. So I apologize about that, so it ended up being 25 minutes. I got some butter on the stove. I use Earth Balance, just in case anybody's curious of what that looks like. This is what it is. This is the kind of butter I get. Oh, hold on. There we go. So I got some butter on the stove melting, so I can make this sauce. And my sauce is going to consist of a couple different things, and you guys will see me. This is the first thing. I get it from the Dollar Tree. It says chicken wing sauce. Yep. This is good old Corky's. What does that say? Memphis on barbecue sauce, the old-fashioned way, original recipe. Ain't that the noise of the pig make? So, yeah. Butter is done. It is done. I just gotta now grab some good old hot sauce. I just bought some stuff. What did I do with it? Frank's Red Hot. Put this shit on everything. Okay. Temporarily move that. Look, shit is hot. Now I know better. So why did I do that? So all that's in there so far. Oh, and something else. So when I had to make a little bit more batter, I found out that I was using 1 tablespoon of seasonings, you guys. Because I don't know what the hell I was saying in the beginning. So I made a little bit more batter that I'm actually going to use to do something else with. So, I'm coming, you guys. I'm coming. No, that is not an easy bake oven. Nope. get another measuring cup. I'm gonna use the tablespoon. This should be enough. So there's 2 tablespoons of this good old barbecue sauce. Oh crap. Also got a little container to mix everything around, yeah. I know you're probably thinking that it's gonna be so hot. I just don't know if I could do it. Well, I can, and it's gonna be fucking delicious. So I need to shake that up a little bit. And with this, you just kind of mix until it actually has a color to it and looks well incorporated, and you don't see butter anymore. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we got that done. So this is what they look like, you guys. And guess what? Yep, you guessed it right. They're gonna go back. Shit, that's hot. They're gonna go back in. Whew. "25 more minutes. I might not have no hands by the time this is over. 25 more minutes. And then after this is over and done and said, shit, that's hot. That'll just be that. 25 more minutes and they will officially be done. I will come back, I will plate them, show you what they look like, maybe eat 1 or 7. Hope this is enough sauce. It smells really good too. It smells hot and spicy. Put the lid on and shake. Same thing they do at wing spots. When you go to get chicken wings, they put them in a container, put the sauce down in the container, and they shake. That's what they do. They sure do. I used to eat chicken wings. I sure did. We can move this one out of the way. Okay, so now, sorry about that noise, we're going to put them back. We're going to put them back so they can go back in and bake for 25 more minutes. Now I will say this. This is one thing about this recipe. You can actually fry these. I don't fry them now. You can though. I just don't. Other than the ones that I said I was gonna fry that I put, my bad again. Other than the ones I said I was gonna fry that I put, you know, a little bit more seasoning on. What that I didn't put nothing but seasoning on. Correction. Uh-oh. They smell so good, you guys. So freaking good. Those little pieces right there at the end that I'm putting on, those are just kind of like pieces of like where the batter has fallen off, what has cooked. Them pieces are gonna be so damn good in the end. Oh God. Okay, so now this goes back to bake for 25 more minutes, and I'll see you guys with the finished product. All right. Well, you guys, we've made it to the end of the video. They are done. I also put some fries in my air fryer. Oh damn, hold on. There we go. I'm not honestly even hungry. But here's my version of chicken wings. So I'm gonna do like, this is a range. Do like pizza and wings and fries. And that's what it looks like on the inside. I'm trying to lighten it out a little bit. It's good, y'all. So if you guys try this, let me know. Because I will be back to read comments soon. And until next time, I'll see y'all next Wednesday. See you later. Peace. Oh, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't think I've said this shit in like the past 12, 13, 15, 20 videos. That's the dishwasher you guys hear in the background. Wow. Don't forget to do all that good stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday with another video. Peace. Oh, I meant to say, this is going to be another video that I don't edit. Well, hold on. I'm not going to say I don't edit the video. I'm going to leave it raw and not cut anything from the video. Of course, I got to edit it to put all of the parts together, but I'm not cutting anything. So, this is going to be another one of those. Alright, peace.